Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be discussing a SQL problem statement that was asked in the Google interview. So let's get started. So here we are given an employees table where we have the employee ID, we have the department, the employee name and the salary that employee receives. And the task is to rank the departments according to the percentage of their employees that are making over 75K. Before I tell you the approach, I would want you to take a pause and think of an approach yourself. And I have also provided a create table statement in the video description. So if you want to go ahead and try to solve this problem yourself, you can do that as well. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and I'll tell you what the approach will be. So it is a four-step approach where initially we will create a flag. We'll create a 0, 1 flag so that we can flag the employees that get more than 75K salary. The second step is we'll do a count of total employees across departments and we will do a count of employees that have greater than 75K salaries. The third step is that we will just simply take a ratio of both of these columns, where, as you can see here, employee grade with greater than 75K salaries divided by total employees. And then finally, we will create a rank column. We'll order it by this ratio that we have created in step number 3. So that we'll get our final output will be the departments ranked according to this ratio. Let's go ahead with the code implementation. So here I have just done my first step, which is I have simply written a case when statement where if my salary is greater than 75K, then 1, otherwise 0. And I've called this column as greater than 75K. This is just like step 1, simple. The next step, so I have put my entire step 1 in a subquery and I've written my step 2 and 3 on top of that, where I have done so I've taken a sum of this greater than 75 divided by sum of your total employees across every department, and I've called this ratio as percentage employees above 75K. I've also selected my department column over here, and overall I've done a group by across departments so that my ratio will be this ratio will be calculated for every department. So here is my final step. So I've put the entire step 1, 2, 3 inside a subquery and I've written my final step on top of it where I have ranked my entire table across using ordering by this ratio that I have created, and I have called this column as the department rank. So I've used a window function to create this rank column, and as you can see, this is my final output where I have my department ranked according to this ratio of percentage of employees that earn above 75K. So here you can see that the engineering department comes at the very top. So that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.